Hi everyone, today's headlines. Governor interacts with various faith-based organization leaders. 82 new COVID-19 cases in Nagaland. Screening of passengers at Dimapur railway station to restart officials. Derek Chauvin found guilty of murdering George Floyd. Uttar Pradesh government announces free COVID-19 vaccine for all above 18 years from May 1. Prepaid meter system needed for better power supply. COVID-19 in India. Fresh cases at 2.94 lakh, second highest ever recorded globally. We should avoid imposing lockdown, it should be our last resort, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. News in details. Governor interacts with various faith-based organization leaders. The Honorable Governor of Nagaland, R.N. Ravi, had an interaction-cum-consultative meeting with the leaders of various section and faith-based organization of Nagaland on COVID-19 pandemic at Dr. Imkong Liba Hall, Raj Bhavan, Kohima on Tuesday, April 20, 2021. Leaders of Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Buddhist and indigenous faith participated. Governor Ravi discussed the COVID situation in the state and told them that such an extraordinary situation calls for concerted effort of every individual, every section of the society, every faith and every community. PRO to Governor informed. Ravi further urged the faith-based leaders to rise up to the occasion and proactively make people more conscious for strict adherence to COVID-19 appropriate protocols and encourage the eligible people for vaccination. The governor thanked the leaders for their valuable suggestions and assured them to take up with the state government for further action, PRO said. 82 new COVID-19 cases in Nagaland. With the detection of 82 new COVID-19 cases in Nagaland, the state active caseload has gone up to 257 on April 20. State Health Minister S. Pangifom informed that the new cases were reported from 3 districts, 70 cases were in Dimapur, while 11 were in Kohima and 1 in Tunsang. As per the Nagaland COVID-19 bulletin, out of 82 cases, 54 were returnees or travelers, 22 trace contacts, and 6 armed personnel or security forces. Till date, the total number of COVID-19 cases in the Nagaland is 12,650, while the total recovery is 12,110. The state death toll is 94, 10 not COVID related. Screening of passengers at Dimapur railway station to restart officials. Despite the resurgence of COVID-19 cases in Nagaland, screening of passengers in Dimapur railway station is yet to be restarted by the concerned state authorities. However, the railway authority is planning to start on screening process, it was informed. This is pertinent as the station is one of the most entry point to Nagaland, catering many inbound travelers per day. We are yet to receive any information regarding such measures from the civil authority officials at the station, told the news agency Tuesday evening, indicating that it is usually the state authority that issues and implements such measures. Derek Chauvin found guilty of murdering George Floyd. Derek was found guilty of 2 counts of murder on Tuesday in the death of George Floyd, whose final breath last May under the knee of Chauvin, a former police officer, were captured on video, setting off months of protest against the police abuse of black people. After deliberating for about 10 hours over 2 days following an emotional trial that lasted 3 weeks, the jury found Chauvin, who is white, guilty of second-degree murder, third-degree murder, and manslaughter for the killing of Floyd, a black man, on the street corner last year on Memorial Day. Chauvin faces up to 40 years in prison when he is sentenced in the coming weeks, but is likely to receive far less time. Uttar Pradesh government announces free COVID-19 vaccine for all above 18 years from May 1. The Uttar Pradesh government on Tuesday decided to administer COVID-19 vaccine free of cost to all those above 18 years of age from May 1. The decision was taken at a cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The cabinet also thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for allowing administering of coronavirus vaccine to those above 18 years of age. The Prime Minister's decision will help in better management of COVID, and massive vaccination will help in defeating coronavirus. We have decided to vaccinate all above 18 years free of cost. the state government will take forward the vaccination program with its own resources, the CM said, according to a statement issued here. Prepaid meter system needed for better power supply. As energy crisis deepens in Nagaland, mainly due to alleged rampant power theft, pilferage and non-payment of utility bills by the citizen, causing a loss of over rupees 200 crore to the state exchequer. Every year, prepaid energy meter system was introduced in Kohima and Dimapur, but it seems all is not well yet. Executive Engineer of Kohima Electrical Division, Department of Power, discussed how prepaid metering system came about and the status so far after commissioning was launched in October 2020 in Kohima and then in November in Dimapur the same year. The prepaid electricity meter system installation project is a centrally assisted initiative under Integrated Power Development Scheme to address inaccurate billings, customer satisfaction and reduction of aggregate technical and commercial losses. COVID-19 in India. Fresh cases at 2.94 lakh, second highest ever recorded globally. India reported over 2.94 lakh fresh COVID-19 cases on Tuesday, the second highest daily case count ever recorded by any country, even as the day's death toll crossed 2,000 for the first time since the pandemic outbreak. At 2,94,291, Tuesday national case count was nearly 3 times higher than the peak of 98,795 daily infections recorded during the first wave on September 17. Only in one instance has any country reported a higher count of cases in a day, 307,570 recorded in the US on January 8 this year, as per worldometer.info. We should avoid imposing lockdown. It should be our last resort, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India now has more than 2 million, that is 20 lakh officially recorded active cases of COVID-19, currently the second highest number in the world after the US. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on COVID-19 situation on Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured that the government is trying to meet demand of oxygen beds in hospital across the country. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.